Hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today we're going to be reviewing Monday.com AI. So it has AI blocks, so we're gonna review that part of the Monday.com feature. So it is a game changer for productivity and automation inside your workflows. If you're curious about how AI can save you hours of manual work, right here inside your project board, so stick around, this one's for you. So just gotta go to our board here. We're just gonna use this one, and as you see here, we're here on our board. So what are AI blocks? So AI blocks are modular AI powered features inside Monday.com that help automate repetitive tasks, summarize data, and generate text. Even brainstorm your ideas directly within your boards. Think of it like ChatGPT but built into this workflow. So to get started, open a board and click on the AI icon or add a new column, and you'll see like we're just gonna click on this, and you're just gonna see the AI function here. So we're gonna extract info here. I'm gonna choose the value. So we're gonna go for date, and we're gonna go for what's this name of task, number of tasks. Okay, task name, I guess. Then we're just gonna save and apply. So it's gonna autofill this with AI. Hopefully, you can also automate stuff here using automation board. There is AI powered automation board here, so you can just use this, I guess, like this when an item is created, and like when an item is created, summarize in text, and that's pretty cool. No result found because we don't have anything on the task. Number of task is here. Task of the person, date. It's pretty like I didn't really extract it because there's nothing here. And we can like move on from here because I think I have a workplace here or like a template that uses AI. So we have AI powered here. We have nonprofit feedback. We have support IT. So it integrates with Slack and Gmail. It has AI, so it categorizes incoming urgency sentiments. So we're just gonna use this template right here, and it's gonna create it. The AI templates take a bit longer than usual to create, but that's okay. So here are what AI blocks can do for you. So you can summarize task updates or long comment threads, auto generate task description, draft emails based on your project status, or create content ideas, or brainstorm or new project names, translate text, change tones, extract action items, and from meeting summaries. Now, as you see here, we are getting started with our AI stuff. So how does the template work? We need to configure it. So we have the AI powered here. So I see here is the autofill with AI active in this column. These are all autofill. So that's pretty good. Autofill with AI. So you have the here detect language of the following requests. Respond only with the name of the language. So I see here English. It's gonna reply in English. We have Bonjour, je besoin de voler dennerie. It's gonna reply in French. So it's gonna translate requests from AI. So here's the translated one here. So that's pretty cool. We can try and add an item. So let's say Michael Phillips. Let's say Michael Phillips is that, then his email. So that's pretty good. So that's Michael Phillips right here. We can add an email here. So let's say Michael again. Then we're just gonna make a request. So kamusta? Need kailangan ko ng Wi-Fi. Let's speak in Tagalog. Let's see if it can translate it. So we're gonna go with Tagalog here. There we go. So it's gonna translate it to English. That's pretty cool. There's a non-urgent request category. So it's gonna auto categorize this. We can change the urgency type. So may sunog nog sa aking kama. There we go. Let's try and auto generate this. It's gonna change the urgency. I think. I don't know. Let's put it here. Let's see what it's gonna input. Okay, no input yet. I think there's a issue here, but that's okay. So I see here it's working. There's also tickets resolved, so you can just drag and drop if you resolve this. So like, oh, I already fixed email password. We're gonna drag and drop here. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. So we're gonna label it for urgent. Why not? Okay. So equipment, that's pretty cool. You know, as you see here, it updated here. There's also a form here. So that's support tickets, RD tickets, email requests. There's also a dashboard. I think we can make a form here. So let's say Michael John, and email is johnhon at email.com. Then we're just gonna say meron ipis sa kama ko. So that means there's a roach on my bed. So we're just gonna upload that, and we're gonna wait for here. And as see here, it made it here. That's pretty good. The urgency, it's gonna autofill, so that's urgent. That's pretty cool. That's an issue, and it's gonna categorize, or it's having a trouble right now, but that's okay. So see here, that's the power of like the AI stuff in Monday.com. It's pretty good. You can just like email this, and it auto sorts here, so it's pretty cool. So that's like one of the use cases of the AI blocks in Monday.com. So let's talk about pricing. So we showcase how the AI works. We're gonna talk about the pricing on this. So you know, AI blocks are available on paidmonday.com, but you know, free is okay too. It's limited based on your tier. They recently introduced AI credits per seat per month, so you can purchase extra credit if needed. Make sure to check your workspace plan under add menu AI usage to track it. But it's okay. It's good for free. So what are AI blocks are great for project managers who want automated status summaries, marketing teams drafting copy or campaign briefs, and also customer support summarizing issue or auto replying, and operation teams organizing processes and follow-ups. So if you don't like the AI thing, and if you want more specific ones, we can add here. We can look up some other stuff. So you have ClickUp AI. They do have AI, so it's pretty nice. ClickUp is very popular. Their ads are very aggressive on YouTube right now. So you have ClickUp AI. You have your personal powered AI here. It's more for task focus, built with in-role specific AI writing. You also have Notion AI. There we go. So Notion AI is more of ideal for doc-based and wiki-style AI generation. So that's pretty good. There's also Coda AI. So Coda AI. So Coda AI here. So this is great if you want formulas, buttons, and document first logic. And you also have Zapier. Zapier AI can complement Monday with cross-platform AI workflows. You can just like bridge these two, so it's pretty cool. So my conclusion is, you know, Monday.com AI blocks bring powerful AI capabilities right into your daily workflow, so helping you save time, stay organized, and focus on what matters. It's still evolving, but the potential here is huge. So if this breakdown helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite use case for AI in project management. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.